Today, we talk about...
Okay, another one. Yes, I referenced this in a recent podcast episode. Whoop. Very much looking forward to these. And here we have a very lovely newish box with the little cutout logo there. Engineered for flight. I like the little tab there. Air Jordan 33. Engineered for flight. You can already see the little space wrapper peeping out there. And yet again, Jumpman. Ben boys up to... And, woo, okay. Love that little box of red and black. My favorite color combo. Fragile. Very nice, very nice. Feels very plush. Let's see. Boppity boop. This little NASA theme here. Woo! Okay, wow. Comes with instructions. Love that. So this was cool because it had a laceless system. Very NASA-y. And the shoes themselves look very space suity. You know what I'm saying? So I had discussed in previous videos the Jordan 31 and then the Jordan 32. It wasn't until the Jordan 32 I started to appreciate what Nike was trying to do with their reinvented Jordan line. So Jordan 31 having a lot of reference to the Jordan 1, the Jordan 32 having a lot of reference to the Jordan 2. Now the Jordan 33, a lot of people are saying not a lot of references to the Jordan 3, but listen, bro, you got the Nike Air tab on the back, you got the... Actually, this is just gorgeous, son. This is gorgeous. Plus, you got the general shape looks very Jordan 3-esque, even though it's all kind of modernized materials. But it is what it is. No laces, but I love this new lace system. A bunch of people have done videos on how it works. I ain't going to go into it right this minute. Plus, you get the little clickety wheel that you can reference as you tighten the shoes and untighten them. Plus the little, what is it, zoom plates, I'm assuming, the hexagonal zoom plates for max performance. Jumpman logo on the front, again, a nice reference to the Jordan 3 facial. And yeah, just the general shape definitely gives me a modernized Jordan 3 feel. So I don't know what y'all are talking about, but it is what it is. I love that little red stitching detail. Very, reminds me of the little stitching on the swooshes that Virgil's been putting on his Jordan 1s. Oh, that's kind of cool. The Harvey Dent two-face black white with the little stripage of red. Nice. And then the release valve area and what you loosen up to get into the shoe. This is super cool. I really like this. Oh, it even says eject on it. I didn't even realize it. So it just gives you perfect instructions to make a flight. This is not Halo. This feels a little cheap. This little tab and this little pull tab here, but I ain't complaining. I do love, again, the red stitching details here. That is cool. Plus the gold trim. That is cool. I'm just pulling this out. Just a little Jumpman logo down there. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, overall, very pleased with these. Very excited to wear these. Nice. Jordan 33. Yeah, I mean, I can't say anything bad about this just yet. And I love the fact that this is performance, but it looks dope for casual wear. Excited for that. Maybe not in the cold winter slush, but some other time for sure. Love it. And yeah, I do love the general NASA theme, the storytelling that came with the shoe. Very well executed. I mean, bro, this is just straight up NASA. Straight up NASA flight, engineered for flight, blah, blah, blah. And there's not much more I can say about it. Well, there is, but you know, time is of the essence. Bye.